So my first reaction about the prelims 2026 GS1 paper, that is a GS paper, I would say it was moderate to difficult paper. If you will see the based on my analysis, around 32 questions are moderate, 30 questions are difficult. So it is inclining towards moderate to difficult. But 38 question, yes, it is doable. When I am saying about like it is easy or doable, that means any aspirant, serious aspirant, it's coming from you can say the common sense as well as the static or the whatever notes we cover. Now, what was unusual, which increases the difficulty level because of the unusual pattern of the questions. See, the themes may not be very different. Themes are similar only, but the nature, the way UPSC have asked the question is making the paper difficult. Number one is the paper was lengthy, so finishing the paper would be difficult. Number two is that little unusual question patterns are there that can make some questions little unusual and difficult to figure out in the exam hall. So there is a requirement to be calm and composed. If anyone is doing that, especially the old student, that will benefit. Now, coming to the weightage of the different paper, two observation which is different. One is the history weightage has increased, around 20 question has been asked from the history, and most of the static part has been taken by the history portion. We see the less number of question from the static in the polity, economy, geography part. Now, if you see that the current affairs weightage is very high. If we include the current affairs for the IR, other current affairs, as well as the science tech, it is going beyond the 50 question. Generally, you can say that around 35 question from the current affairs, but when since the science and tech questions are also the current affairs type questions, so if you include these all things, more than 50 questions being asked from the, to be exact, 51 question has been asked from the current affairs. So the current affairs has been dominated over the static, and within the static, history, culture part has dominated the other static part, that like geography and the polity. So those are my observation. We will do more paper wise analysis in subsequent videos. Thank you so much. All the best.